Is your phone starting to feel like a burden instead of a tool? Too many tiny icons, confusing menus, or sounds that just don't feel right anymore? Let me be clear. The problem isn't you, it's your settings. In this video, I'm unlocking a hidden menu, a secret file of settings that most people have never even touched. And the best part? You don't need to install a single app. These small tweaks can completely transform how your phone looks, sounds, and responds, especially if you're over 50 or helping someone who is. Stick with me because what's coming next might just make you fall in love with your phone again. 1. Make everything easier to read. Enlarge text and font. Go to Settings, tap Display, select Font Size and Style. Now, slide the bar to the right. Choose large or even extra large. Your eyes will thank you. This makes texts, notifications, and menus bigger and more readable without any strain. 2. Enlarge icons and menu spacing. Screen zoom. Still in display? Tap Screen zoom. Again, slide the bar to the right. Your icons will grow, the space between words will stretch, and everything will feel more open and clear. 3. Turn on dark mode. Protect your eyes at night. Dark mode isn't just trendy, it reduces eye strain, especially in the evening. In display, simply toggle dark mode on. You'll notice your phone is gentler on your eyes right away. 4. Adapt sound to match your hearing automatically. Open Settings, Sounds and Vibration, then Sound Quality and Effects, tap Adapt Sound. Pick the age group closest to yours. This hidden feature adjusts how you hear music, voices, and especially calls, tailoring the sound to match your hearing. 5. Turn on Easy Mode. Simplify your entire phone. Go to Settings, Display, scroll down and tap Easy Mode. Once enabled, your phone becomes cleaner, icons get larger, and menus are simpler. Perfect for anyone who finds modern phones overwhelming. 6. Declutter the home screen. Remove unused apps. Press and hold any app you don't regularly use. Tap Remove from Home. Don't delete it, just tuck it away. This keeps your main screen focused and peaceful without losing anything important. 7. Always see time and notifications. Enable Always On Display. Head to Settings, Lock Screen, then Display Style. Turn on Always On Display. Even when your phone is locked, the time and call notifications will stay visible. No need to tap or wake the screen. 8. Balance sound for better hearing. Turn on mono audio. If you hear better in one ear, this one's for you. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Hearing, then switch on mono audio. Now both left and right speakers will play the same sound, making it easier to hear clearly. And just like that, your phone is now clearer, calmer, and completely customized for you. Technology should serve you, not stress you. If this helped you, imagine how much it could help someone else. Share this video with a friend, parent, or anyone who feels overwhelmed by their phone. Like the video to support the channel, and drop a comment to let me know what tip surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're just getting started.